Why is intellectual property, or IP, important for creatives? IP rights protect your creations so that no one can make use of them without your permission. IP rights help you increase the value of your work and your artistic reputation. It is also a tool for making money, but we'll come to that later. In this video, we explore why IP is important and which IP rights are relevant, and talk about commercialization, enforcement, or the infringement of your IP rights. Copyright does not protect mere ideas, but the way your idea is expressed. A novel, a piece of music, an architectural design, a painting, a photograph, a sculpture, or an animation, just as the one you are watching right now. Design protects the aesthetic characteristics of your work. Trademark protects and identifies your work. It can be the name of your painting or the logo and the brand. Patents protect technical inventions, such as smart fabrics for fashion, 3D printing techniques, VR technology, or ebooks, to name just a few examples. Designs, trademarks, and patents are registered rights. Therefore, you need to take procedural steps to register these rights at the IP offices. In Europe, copyright is an unregistrable right. Your rights arise as soon as you create your work. No need for any formality. IP as a money-making tool. Thanks to IP rights, you have full control over your works. You can block others using your work, or you can grant them permission to do so through a license, in return for, well, some compensation. You can also sell someone the rights to reproduce your work. You can enforce your IP rights against the infringers and force them to make a deal with you. You should always respect others' IP rights. But how? Finding a cartoon on the internet or a photo in social media doesn't mean that it's free to use. Check whether the third-party work you want to use is protected. Check for copyright notices, user agreements, or IP disclaimers. You may believe that using a creative work without any intention to commercialize is harmless, but be very careful, as it's not always true. You could be accused of infringement. Always make sure to proceed with caution when using any third-party content. My IP and IP professionals. Don't forget to take a look at my intellectual property tool, hosted on the Creatives Unite platform. Check our IP tool database, get inspired from our case studies, and learn some tips on IP. In case you feel there's a need for further support, consider seeking support from relevant IP professionals.